Good day, folks. This is Thomas with Carns Powersports, and today I have a treat for you. I have the Troy Lee Design Pro R RZR. So this machine comes standard with low-profile bumpers. As you can see, very rugged construction on the A-arms. You have the Fox live valve suspension with 29 inches of usable travel. Once we get to the side of the machine, pretty straightforward, easy entry door over here. You've got the bucket seats, 6-point retractable harness. If you move to the center of the machine, you've got a center cargo, your cup holders, easy accessible shift, very visible display on that side. As you get to the other side of the machine, you've got your sound system with your metal roof, your LED light bar on the top, and then you've got the integrated LED lights on the front. Easy access to the gas, rock guards, again the Fox suspension, and then you come to the heart of the machine, folks. 225 usable horsepower in a 4-cylinder ProStar motor. These machines have become very reliable, and this machine with its color match, the flake in the paint, everything else that goes with it, folks, is an absolutely phenomenal machine. Please take it home before my wife divorces me and I buy it.